The West Bengal Assembly on Monday passed the West Bengal Public Safety and Control of Anti-Social Activities Bill 2026 with 176 members voting in favor and 41 against it. The legislation, aimed at strengthening measures against organized and anti-social activities, sparked a sharp political exchange in the House. Preventive detention and expanded powers. Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari, speaking on the bill, accused both the Trinamool Congress and CPIM of encouraging political violence and said similar laws already exist in other states. He noted that the legislation authorizes preventive detention for up to 12 months if authorities believe it is necessary to prevent potential antisocial activities. The bill also widens the definition of Gunda to include individuals linked to organized crime, illegal activities under various central laws, and those considered dangerous to public order. The proposed law further allows externment of individuals from specific districts, makes offences cognizable and non-bailable, and enables police to conduct searches and arrests without warrants in certain situations. Safeguards and compensation mechanism. The bill provides procedural safeguards, including review of detention orders by an advisory board headed by a serving or former High Court judge within 3 weeks. Detainees must generally be informed of grounds within 5 days, though exceptions apply in sensitive cases. Separately, amendments to the West Bengal Maintenance of Public Order Act 1972 introduce a claims commission to recover compensation for damage caused during riots and unlawful assemblies. The framework allows liability to extend beyond direct offenders to those who instigate or support such acts, with provisions for compensation for both public and private property losses.